Hello everyone, I'm Greg Otto with FedScoop TV, and we're here at the Data Innovation Summit today, and I'm talking with Carl Zulick, the Geospatial Information Officer for the U.S. Forest Service. Carl, thanks for joining us today.
Sure.
So
Thank you.
Tell our viewers about the innovative ways that you're using big data inside the agency.
Well, in the U.S. Forest Service, we are a land management agency, and as a geospatial information officer, I'm in charge of all of the data that ties to points on the ground.
Okay.
And virtually everything that we do, whether it's budget or personnel management or land use planning or environmental analysis, research on insects and disease or anything like that, everything that we do is tied to the land, and so therefore it's spatial. And we manage it using remotely sensed data, geospatial information systems, and mapping types of devices.
Okay, so with the influx of big data that has been coming in, talk to me about the challenges that you see in, how that is changing and how that is growing and how you manage that at an agency level.
Right, our data influx has been growing so fast. The introduction of tools like UAS, unmanned aerial systems, and GoPros, and satellite imagery that's getting better and better, airborne platform things, aerial photography. The data sets for remote sensing are absolutely huge, terabytes and petabytes of data, and it's also collected over time. So for things like climate change analysis or insect and disease migration or forest development, we manage data that in essence over time streams, and so we have layers upon layers of time-based information that we need to analyze in order to make good land management decisions. So the sheer amount of data that we're dealing with is requiring us to look at new tools and techniques and processes to be able to analyze those data sets quickly and easily. And we're not growing as an agency, so we need better tools for the people that we do have to be able to analyze that data and then make management decisions.
Beyond the tools that you were talking about, getting better tools, what is the future for big data inside your agency? Where do you see data applying to further missions?
Yeah, for big data, it's a challenge for us, for everybody to get on the same page about what big data means to us, and there are different interpretations.
Okay.
But for me personally, big data talks about those really huge, complex data sets that our traditional tools and techniques and applications and our personnel can't manage and can't analyze using the techniques we used to use 10 and 20 years ago, because our data sets are so huge.
Right.
So big data to me means that we have to find new ways to take data sets that traditionally have been siloed in organizations and in offices. We have to aggregate those data sets into national data sets, because we can actually analyze those more easily. We couldn't do that 20 years ago. National data sets. When we aggregate the data, in the past, we felt that we needed to integrate the data sets into new data sets. In essence, what that does is duplicate data. And what we want to do in the future is we want to use tools that allow us to, what I call, integrate on the fly. So those are tools that will allow you to go into different disparate data sets and then match data sets, features, so that you can do analysis on different data sets all at the same time.
Very, very interesting stuff, Carl. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, thank you.
For all of our videos, check out our YouTube channel, and for more information, check out fedscoop.com. I'm Greg Otto. Thanks for watching.